इंस्टाग्राम में जो भी पोस्ट मैं डालूंगी, द फर्स्ट थिंग एवरीबडी सेज इज श्रीकांत को धोखा नहीं देना चाहिए था, श्रीकांत के साथ ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, आपने श्रीकांत को क्यों धोखा दिया, आपने श्रीकांत के साथ ये क्यों किया, वो क्यों किया. And any pictures I put, I get like so many comments from a lot of people saying शायद अरविंद के लिए आप वेट कर रहे हैं. I somewhere felt that क्या मैं मैसेज करूं और बोलूं कि अरे भाई listen, I'm an actor, I'm playing the part, I am not Suchi in real life. I mean, I won't do that.
For all film related interviews, reviews and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
मुझे पहले बताओ शुचि जी, लोनावला में क्या हुआ?
देखिए, इसका मेरे पास दो ही जवाब है. एक तो जो भी लोनावला में होना चाहिए वो लोनावला में ही okay, I'm very bad at translating it in Hindi, but whatever happens in Lonavala stays in Lonavala. एक या तो दो, चेल्लम सर से पूछे, शायद चेल्लम सर को पता होगा.
I don't think Chellam sir also knows because we can't seem to find it on Google.
No, you never know because sometimes Chellam sir is like, the new Google, so he might know everything.
But this Google, I think we all need to know because the other information that we get on Google is just so random. Half of it we have to keep checking facts about things. तो आप लोगों के साथ भी हुआ है because before the show only a lot of people were getting upset. What is this about? And it turned out to be just a show. Yeah. So as actors, I mean, I know I'm starting off on this. Does it unnerve you that there is some momentum build up which is not related to your work?
Sometimes it does. But I think now that the show has come out and बहुत सारे लोगों ने देखा है and so we are not at the receiving end anymore, I can say.
Yeah.
So yeah. I think that itself has spoken volumes.
Totally. And did you all anticipate the success of Family Man 2? I mean, it's bigger than Family Man 1.
See, honestly, we started shooting for season 2 much before season 1 released also. I still remember, I think when it was released, I think 2 days after it was released, we were still shooting. I was in Manoj sir and the entire team, वो लोग चेन्नई में जाके उन्होंने already they finished a schedule in Chennai. And then when we resumed back was after the release of season 1, we resumed back for the house portions of the season 2. So उसी time पे we were like, अरे यार इतना अच्छा चल रहा है season 1, But I think more than us actors, I think the onus fell on the directors and the writer to make the second season much better, which it has already. So I think kudos to Raj sir, DK sir and Suman for writing the second season also so gripping. It is so gripping that people are like, "Arey kya ho raha hai?" Matlab, obviously since it's season 2, so double the action hona chahiye, double the dhamaka, double the emotional drama, double the sentiment, something. Everything has to be double. So I think iske liye they've just literally, I think this people were sitting at the edge of the seats and they expected the unexpected in season 2. So we were quite happy after the release because मेरे लिए तो एक double धमाका था because it released on my birthday. And so I couldn't have asked for a better gift from the Amazon team and from Raj sir and DK sir also. So I was literally on cloud 9 because everybody unanimously जब season 1 release हुआ and initially when they had announced the release of the season 2 in February, if I'm not mistaken, सब लोग बोलने लगे क्या हुआ मतलब what is going to happen in season 2 and when is it going to release. Obviously February say they pushed it till June for the reasons best known to Amazon, but उस time that time frame of that 3-4 months, everybody unanimously they said when is season 2 coming out. So I think everybody were they were literally waiting for season 2, and now that it has come out and it has done really well, we're very happy. Now अगर वापस Raj sir और DK sir और Suman के ऊपर है to make season 3 much bigger and much better.
I'm totally, and everyone is only curious about Lonavala because वो पहेली that was not for anyone. So at least writing to me.
But that's the funniest thing because season 1 से season 2 तक that seems to be the national question as to Lonavala में क्या हुआ था. मतलब there was so much happening in the series as in terms of, Srikanth going and saving the country. I mean, desh ke liye kya kuch nahi kar raha hai Srikanth, and talk about the national issues that have been, there in the country. But I guess I think Lonavala mein kya hua tha, that question has beaten even Katappa ne Bahubali ko kyun mara.
Totally. Now coming to Shuchi, when I met you for season 1,
Ji.
you were very coy and saying, "Pata chalega what Shuchi is like." So we saw Shuchi was vivacious, she spoke her mind, but yahan par I found Shuchi's personality had changed.
Yeah.
She was quieter, she was subdued.
Yeah.
I saw the old Shuchi when she drags her husband to the therapist marriage counselor. That was one little spark of Shuchi came, and then again.
Yeah.
So what was it like for you as an actor to play, because she's again gone through an emotional transformation?
It was, honestly, I did not know the graph of Suchi I got to know only about that once we started shooting, but I did get an outline of the character saying Suchi ka emotional drama is going to be a lot higher, and it will not be, because see, basically right from season 1 she's been wanting to talk to somebody. Instead of talk, she wants somebody to listen to her, whatever she's going through and things like that. So I think that small drift started in season 1, and probably season 2 mein aur zyada ho gaya hai, because still Srikanth is not there to listen to her what she wants to go through, and she's got a lot of problems happening within her. She wants to just talk to somebody, she wants to let it out, but Srikanth is not able to give time to her. एक साइड से दूसरे साइड में Dhriti has grown up, she's become a teenager, so the tantrums of a teenager, so that also she has to handle it properly. And probably you can say that she thought her a last straw of probably communicating with Srikanth would be going to a therapist and talking to the therapist, finding out some common ground where they can talk to and things like that, as was before. But wo bhi nahi ho raha hai. So she's sort of, somewhere she's just wanting to just burst out, but she's not able to given the circumstances. And so all that, and plus obviously Dhriti getting kidnapped and things like that, so all that turmoil is happening to her, and she just wants to, she doesn't know what to do, because obviously Srikanth is, given his nature of his job, he's busy and things like that. And so it was a lot of emotional ups and downs for me. And I still remember, I think घर में जो भी portions हमने पहले घर का जो portions था वो सब shoot कर दिया हमने. And I think it was like day 2 or day 3 of shooting in the house. They gave me such a big, the heavy scene where Dhriti is getting kidnapped, and the crying thing, and then the scene where Manoj sir comes inside the house, and I have to like literally burst out and cry and things like that. I said, sir, but this is just day 3. I mean, day 3 we're just getting to know the character in season 2, what the it's going to go through kind of a thing, and you just give me the scene. So I just did it as the best I could, and I think it has probably come out quite well, which is why बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे message किया और बोला not only the emotional part of it, but the part of the character where she's trying to communicate but she's not able to, and she just wants to talk to somebody, all that turmoil that she goes through. I think बहुत सारे ladies ने मुझे message किया है and saying that the way you've portrayed it is so well, and obviously talking about mental health and things like that. A lot of people even till now they're messaging me and saying that at least thank you for bringing out the fact that you're talking about mental health, and you brought that, may not be on a big basis, but at least you've started talking about it right from season 1 to season 2 also. You've been, and as in terms of going to a therapist, because a lot of people, I'm sure that whatever problems they're going through, they also want to somebody to talk to or somebody to listen to what they're going through.
I totally get that. And you have addressed, and I think a lot of marriage couples, especially in the pandemic, have suddenly that gap has emerged. Literally they're living together, they actually want to kill each other. That's either, as I said, they've made babies or they've split up. And दो चीजें की हैं इन लोगों ने.
Two extremes.
Two extremes. Baby and bye bye.
Yeah, I know, I completely agree. Yeah.
Totally. But आपको season 1 के time, because in your profession what happens is, the common man, people get so involved thinking that you are the character. You might not even stand for what that woman is, but you are a character. आपको season 1 के time कुछ hate mails आए थे?
सीजन 1 में नहीं आए थे, सीजन 2 के बाद बहुत सारे आए हैं।
ओए
yeah, I mean almost every day, any जब जो भी पोस्ट मैं डालूंगी you know on any social media profile, I mean my social media like Instagram or Facebook and things like that, but more so I don't check Facebook much, but Instagram में जो भी पोस्ट मैं डालूंगी, the first thing everybody says is श्रीकांत को धोखा नहीं देना चाहिए था, श्रीकांत के साथ ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, आपने श्रीकांत को क्यों धोखा दिया, आपने श्रीकांत के साथ ये क्यों किया, वो क्यों किया. And any pictures I put, I get like so many comments from a lot of people saying शायद अरविंद के लिए आप वेट कर रहे हैं, शायद अरविंद के साथ आप डेट में जा रहे हैं तो इसलिए आपने ऐसा ड्रेस किया है. I'm like, listen, so you know, in a way I just laugh it off, but in a way, you know, I feel that, you know, I must have done something right for them to comment something like this, because it's a character, you know. And
totally,
I also hear I don't know if it is right or wrong, but I also hear that Suchi is one of the most hated characters in the web series world right now, post season 2. So I think they must have written something right, and I must have done something right for them to hate the character that much.
So no, I totally get that. Because if someone does a role and the other person hates that
means I've done something right.
Absolutely. But कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कैरेक्टर दैट यू हैव प्लेड, यू हैव टू लिटरली टेल पीपल मैं ये नहीं हूँ, मैं ये इंसान नहीं हूँ?
यू नो, इनिशियली ऑनेस्टली मैं अगर आपको एक बात बताऊं तो इनिशियली जब भी मुझे यू नो स्पेशली आफ्टर सीजन 2 मैंने राज सर और डीके सर के साथ भी डिस्कस किया था कि यू नो व्हाई सडनली सो मच ऑफ हेट्रेड फॉर सुची. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज इट इज अ कैरेक्टर. And a lot of people message me also saying आपको ये नहीं करना था, आपको ये नहीं करना था. तो I somewhere felt that क्या मैं मैसेज करूं और बोलूं कि अरे भाई listen, I'm an actor, I'm playing the part, I am not Suchi in real life. I mean, you know, I won't do that. But then I thought, you know, I don't want to do it, because you know, as I said, I must have done something right for them to hate the character so much कि अगर मैं और बोलूं then it will be adding more fuel to the fire. So I thought I'll just keep quiet and you know, just let my work speak for myself rather than me sitting and you know messaging each and everybody saying, you know, I'm just an actor, I'm just playing this part. So I'll let my work speak for me. So let's see.
So totally, your work speaks for you, and I must tell you, though they might be hating your screen character, but they love the real Priyamani because
I hope they do, because I hope they do, because I do see a lot of comments also under my post, because a lot of people do say that अरे, you know, as I said, श्रीकांत को धोखा नहीं देना चाहिए था, आपको ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए था. So instead of me actually saying, you know, this is the thing, a lot of others who have seen the positive side of Suchi also, who've seen that, you know, the acting is good, they have replied to those hate comments saying अरे यार ये तो actor है, इन्होंने काम किया है तो ऐसा ही करना है. तो you know, don't hate the actor, but if you hate the acting, that means she's done something good. So they themselves are speaking for me, so I'm happy.
But जो मैं आपका, what I want to tell you is, see, there is so much of image branding around actors, you know, na?
Yeah.
Hair, makeup, you have to look a certain way. You might not be that. A lot of people for you have written that she is so natural. Just see her. She's sitting just like one of us. And that, I think, resonates with people because, you know, suddenly you just see the star aura fully done up and sitting and you're like, connection nahi aata hai. With you, they are getting that connection. So, I mean, this is what I wanted to tell you.
A lot of hearts to everybody.
And now coming to your work also, you are also like planning to do a last Samantha या Naxal play कर रहे हो एक picture में, फिर बोलेंगे Raji has influenced Suchi now.
No. I don't think it's anything to do with Raji influencing Suchi about that. But no, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि I'm able to portray that side also, where I'm playing a Naxal. I'm playing a movie. I mean, I'm doing a character in a movie with Rana Daggubati, and she sort of is like his deputy in command. And उनके लिए उनका जो, you know, the group of, you know, that is their family, and they always are together, and you know, they carry all their things together, so they're never without their guns, they're never without their, you know, their backpack, and their backpack contains everything from ammunition to food to, you know, and all of them are actually quite learned. It's not necessary that you know, ये लोग बहुत अनपढ़ नहीं है. They are actually quite learned. They stand for a particular cause, whatever they is their cause. They stand for it. So it was nice to bring out something like that, in a movie, in a story way. And एक अच्छा सा एक love story भी है, but it's more so surrounded around this Naxalism and things like that. So it's quite, and it's actually a true story. But the director, he has experienced all of this, but the love story part is obviously a little thoda bahut matlab cinematic liberty liya hai.
Awesome. And we all want to know Maidan ka kya ho raha
hai? See, my portions have already finished. It finished last year itself, much before the lockdown. But unka jo hai, I think they still have a bit to shoot. Obviously, unfortunately, because of the second wave, Amit sir also was down with COVID, and so they couldn't shoot. And I also read in the news that their set was, blown apart because of the cyclone and things like that, which hit Mumbai recently. So I'm hoping that they start soon and finish soon, because they have only a bit to shoot. So I'm guessing that they will finish it soon.
Also, as an actor, as we are seeing such strong female narratives coming up, movies being written, female sexuality, female problems all being addressed, are you happy with this kind of narratives, or do you think kuch aur badalna chahiye, or are you happy the way it's going?
No, I'm actually quite happy with the way the stories are coming about, because it ranges from, there's so much of extremes, when you talk about stories and things like that. It deals with probably the smallest of the smallest detail, which is, shown beautifully in the form of a series or a story or whatever. And I'm so happy that audience ke mind bhi, it's broadening up a little more, and they're accepting stories like this. They're actually watching it, and well, opinions will differ, yes or no, but at least I'm happy that they are open to watching such subjects, and maybe accepting, not accepting, well, that is the part of, it's each man's opinion to himself. But I'm really happy that, people are, their mindset is changing. Even the industry's mindset is changing. They're coming out with, original stories, and people are also sitting up and watching it, and, so I'm happy. But, and it will grow for sure. It will definitely grow. It won't, just stay in one thing, or they won't stick to just one genre.
Also, being an actor can get very stressful, because aajkal social media presence, I was speaking to Neena Gupta, she said, काम कोई नहीं देखता है, कितना networking किया, कितना post लगाया, कितना makeup. Does that also get burdensome? And I also feel for actors like you, अगर 2 pound gain हो गया, people will talk about it. अगर, makeup ठीक नहीं पहना, कपड़ा ठीक नहीं पहना, people will talk about it. What is it really like for you? Just want to know the insiders.
See, I told this in a previous interview also. मेरे लिए personally, more than body shaming, a lot of people have actually commented on the skin tone and things like that. And, they've also made fun of the editing, and, there's like, oh, it could be the editing which is funny. And even after the article also came out on the papers recently, and on the news also recently, that, I've been, I won't say very, like, I'm not completely, like, they didn't attack me so much. But yes, I have received my fair share of comments with regards to the color, and, a lot of people are like, oh, your face is looking white, but your legs are looking black. Maybe the photographer didn't edit it properly. Or are you in real life? Are you like this? And even for that also, a lot of plus and minus has come. A lot of people have said, even after you came out with the article, why are you wearing makeup? You should be like this. Like, you have to deal with it. You do something, you get commented. You don't do something, you get commented. So, you really can't sit each and everybody down and say, boss, this is how I am, or this is who I am. So I try to make it as real as possible, so that they can say, okay, you know what, she's one of us, and, she's like us. But as I said, see, each one's opinion matters. So you can't literally sit everybody down and say, why don't you like me? Or why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? But somewhere I did read a very interesting, a fellow actor, she also commented saying, if you have anything negative to say about somebody, don't, say it, because there are people who, might take it in a different way. We as actors probably, we can just take it in 1 year, leave it out the other, saying, it's okay. We are in this industry, so we have the pros and cons of being in it, and a lot of people will comment positive and negative. So in a way, I can say we are, in a way, okay. But there are other people who may not take it in a nice way. They might feel a little like, "Arey, ye kyun comment kar rahe hai aisa? Matlab, maine kya kiya aisa?" Which, I mean, obviously in the recent thing also, as I said, the hate comments for Suchi. If I'm very happy that, at least I did not take it to, I did not let it affect me so much. Probably because, I have such supporting, parents, my husband is there, and, obviously even family members are there. So we just brushed it off very, in a very, like, chalta hai, matlab, you must have done something well, which is why they're commenting like this. But somewhere down the line, if I did not take it in that way, if I did not take it in a positive way, I took it in a negative way, I would have reacted in another way. It could have actually broken me and things like that. So in a way, I'm like, okay, अच्छा है कि इन्होंने, I mean, they're just saying, आपने श्रीकांत के साथ अच्छा नहीं किया, धोखा क्यों दिया, ये क्यों दिया, वो क्यों दिया, which is okay. I mean, as I said, I must have done something right for which they're commenting like this. But, honestly, I would just like to say that if you have anything negative, just keep it to yourself. Don't bring it out to others. If you have a negative opinion, it is your opinion. आप दूसरों पे क्यों बोलना चाहते हैं कि why do you want to change their opinion about you also? There might be somebody else who likes you. You don't like me, fine. I'm not going to sit you down and say, why don't you like me? But there might be 2 other people who like me. So don't try to change their opinion also.
I totally get that.
One's opinion differs.
Trolling business, I don't get, and I feel bad because when actors also, and हमको भी तो बहुत trolls आते हैं, हर कोई comment कर देगा, oh look at this, she looks like an auntie, look at her hair. I mean, अपना शक्ल तो दिखा दो, आप कैसा लगते हो?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. It's very easy for a person to sit behind a phone or a computer or a laptop or whatever and just make, and okay, I will say that half of them, like 99%, are funny memes, and funny trolls and whatever, all doing it great. But that 1% who, literally they're like, who troll you in another way, which probably might bring you down.
But how have things changed for you? The national award भी इतना career में इतना सारा किया है. How have things changed from the time when you made your debut? Have they gotten easier or are they tougher?
I think right now it's gotten busier. I will not say easy or difficult, but I'd say it's gotten busier. Touch wood. ऐसा ही रहना चाहिए, ऐसा ही continue होना चाहिए. Yeah, but right from the time I started till now, one thing has not changed is my selection. I'm very choosy. I pick and choose what I want to do, and obviously it's a collective decision. I sit with my husband, I sit with my family, and we say, okay, aisa ek offer aaya hai, and I think I'm going to do it, or I don't think I'm going to do it, whichever, yes or no. I discuss with them, and then we take a collective decision, and then if I'm doing it, I'll do it. If I'm not doing it, I won't do it. So that has always been there right from the start. And I can very proudly say, I think post-marriage I've become a lot busier, and I've been getting more and more offers, and with touch wood, I think.
That's lovely, and that's inspiring for a lot of women who feel that, whatever marriage, that you've ended that misnomer that marriage does not mean the end of a woman's career. Each to his own. That's one for actresses. What would you want to change in the industry? One thing, the change you want to see for actresses as professionally. What do you want to see changed? A lot spoke there are not clean bathrooms. Lot spoke they're given smaller rooms. Lot spoke about the fact pay parity nahi hai. What do you feel you want to see?
I don't know if I'll be the right person to comment on a pay parity thing, because already a lot of people have commented. तो मैं नया क्या बोलूँगी उसके बारे में? I don't. No, I think at the moment, I mean, I'm obviously telling from based on my experience. I'm not, with all due respect to what the others have said. Yes, I think in a way, बहुत सारे changes आ गए हैं, especially even after the very famous the Me Too movement and everything. So obviously everybody is, they're like, okay, because छोटी सी छोटी बात भी can be taken in another way. So I think in that way, I can definitely say that the environment has become a lot safer. Everybody is being a little more careful. I think girls themselves are being very alert these days, as in terms of even they're not scared to stand up for what they want. And by this, I also mean a lot of people who have just come up, the newcomers who've just come, maybe like they've just finished one film, but they're so, they're so bold and they're not afraid to say, what, this is what I want and this is what I want. It can, and again, as I said, it's to each person himself, how they take it, the opposite people, I'm saying. But I can definitely say that a lot has changed, and it's obviously for the good. Matlab, the ladies are also getting their own, they're getting their vanities, it's all clean and all that is there. Or if not vanity, there is a nice room which is being given to them, and it's obviously clean, and all that is there. So I'm saying it's personal experience. And I think the atmosphere also, the atmosphere has changed completely. Everybody is like, okay, she's coming, and the actress is coming, so give way and let them be themselves. And and also we are also getting our personal security guards as appointed by the unit, the production house. They appoint security guards so that there are no people to fall over you and things like that. So I think in that way it's quite good, it's quite safe.
I know 1, 2, 3 सबको याद है चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस से आपका, it still follows you. हमको ये भी पता आपको शाहरुख खान ने 300 रुपए दिए थे for winning कौन बनेगा करोड़पति on his iPad. अब शाहरुख खान के साथ पिक्चर कब कर रहे हो?
Oh, I hope soon. Yeah, I'm really dying to work with Shahrukh, but dekhte hain. If something comes up, I will definitely. I mean, I would love to work with him. I'll give up anything and everything. I'll do anything to work with Shahrukh Khan. but no. On a seriously, अगर कुछ अच्छा सा आएगा, तो I'd definitely love to work with him.
So, other than meeting Song Joong Ki, which I'm also with you on, who are the guys on your wish list to work with now that you really want to do a film?
Will I sound very childlike if I say I want to work with Korean actors right now?
Don't worry, बस हो जाए, मेरे को साथ ले जाना.
Of course. Why not?
Chalo, we're done. Don't forget this promise. We'll do it together. We shall
manifest
it for you.
And this, I have to say, this is for all the fans and everybody who keep telling me that next time agar jo bhi aap interview doge, aap ye zarur karna. So I'm like, okay.
Though I'm a K-drama fan. Yeah, though I'm a K-drama fan, I have still never got this. You also? Wow. So happy to meet a fellow K-drama fan, yeah? Yeah, I've only been watching for 5 years. I'm learning Korean also.
Me too. Right from last year, I've been watching only that.
Oh, and it's good. I'm happy that people have discovered that content. Really.
Yeah.
So, which is your favorite drama, since we are talking like two?
I like a lot actually.
Crash Landing मत बोलना. Crash Landing मत बोल.
नहीं, वो मैंने देखा ही नहीं.
Crash Landing से शुरू किया.
I have not seen that. But it will be in my list to watch soon. I loved Vincenzo. I love Descendants of the Sun. I've loved.
You like Song Joong Ki, my favorite descendant.
Oh my God!
Oh, I'm a huge Joong Ki fan.
Oh, me too. Oh my God, I love him. I mean, when I saw Descendants of the Sun, I was like, who is this man? I kept I kept seeing his Bigg Boss, yeah. So I kept seeing whether he's on Instagram for me to follow. But at that point of time, I don't think he was. But there is one account of his, but I don't think वो personally manage करना है उनका जो agency है.
5 million जो, yeah, totally.
Some high underscore
Joong Ki.
Yes, so मैं वो follow कर रही हूँ, and I'm like,
Totally. So
yeah, and I must say this, I do have a fandom. They call Priyamanians, and they're about these very young girls, about all are like, in 10th standard, 11th standard, 9th, 8th and all that. So all are like 12, 13-year-old girls. And, there's one particular girl who has a fandom made for me and him. So it is called P/SJK, and she makes these edits of the two of us. And I'm like, agar wo sach hota, to I'll die a happy death. Seriously. I told her.
You will take me along with you. You will take me along with you.
Done. But I hope that really happens soon, because, I keep telling her that I hope it happens soon. And agar hoga, to I'll be really happy. And if something like that comes up, I'm going to die a happy death.
See, I mean, totally, yaar. I mean, also like Jhumki, we are talking. I'll give you a recommendation. Watch Nice Guy. It's a very nice drama with him in it.
Is it that Space Sweepers?
No, not Space. It's called Nice Guy.
Nice Guy. The series. Yeah.
Watch it.
I'll watch. Sure. That I think it must be one of his first few
Before
series that he did. Yeah.
So
But I love Descendants of the Sun. I loved him in Vincenzo as Vincenzo Cassano. Oh.
Vincenzo Cassano. Totally. My God, I'm so happy. And I remember, so my first K-drama ever 5 years ago was Descendants of the Sun. So, but I'm very happy you're talking about it now because सब लोग Crash Landing, due respect.
No. मैंने देखा. I've not seen it, but I've heard a lot of people talking about it. And yeah, so I've liked that. I have liked the K2. वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. It's like full on action.
Lee Chang-wook. Yeah.
Yes. I follow him also.
You and me, K-drama queens. बस हो गया.
Have you seen? Do you like fantasy wala K-drama?
थोड़ा.
Then you should see this guy. You should see Tale of the Nine-Tailed.
Lee Dong-wook. मैंने उसके romantic dramas देखे.
I follow him also.
My God, amazing! Imagine Family Man की बात कर रहे हैं.
कहाँ से कहाँ गए?
Song Jhumki.
कहाँ से कहाँ गए?
Annyeonghaseyo. We will say Monday to
Annyeonghaseyo. Yeah.
But you also know there's some similarity between Korean and Tamil words also.
Very similar. They are very similar.
Amma.
Yeah. I was just telling that to my dad and mom because they're like, you watching this throughout the day? What is this? I'm like, no, because I find a lot of similarities between their culture and our culture, as in terms of, they're also very family oriented and the way they address their parents also as appa and amma. And I'm like, what? We call that to our parents. I mean, how are you addressing like that? And, so a lot of similarities I've seen.
Who are the Korean actors you want to work with other than Song Joong Ki?
Okay, so definitely there's Song Joong Ki, there's Ji Chang Wook, there's
Lee Dong Wook.
Yes.
Lee Dong Wook. Yunbin नहीं है. Gongyu, Yunbin, Lee
Min. Yunbin कौन?
Crash Landing वाले.
No.
Captain Lee. I prefer Big Boss to Captain Lee. People will kill me for this, but Big Boss any day over Captain Lee. Your team Big Boss.
I think I don't know what I'm going to do if I get a chance to. If I probably even see him for like 1 minute, I think I'm going to be like, and that will be the end of me. I'll just die a happy death. That's more than enough.
जिसको पहले मिलेगा वो दूसरे को कांटेक्ट करके बोलेगा मेरे
done. अगर even if you get a chance to, through your contacts.
I want to interview him.
Please get me also live on that interview. I want to I just want to see him. I don't want to talk, but I just see him. बस.
अगर आपको पिक्चर मिले, you take me. अगर मुझे इंटरव्यू मिले, I take you.
Done. Deal.
On that note, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
अच्छा, फैमिली मैन 3 में बताओ क्या होगा अब? लोनावला का सवाल तो
I don't know.
आपकी जिंदगी के चेल्लम सर कौन है वैसे? आपकी जिंदगी के चेल्लम सर कौन है?
मेरे जिंदगी के चेल्लम सर मेरे हस्बैंड है.
अच्छा, तो उनसे पूछते हैं लोनावला का कैसे?
उनको क्या पता चलेगा? जो मैं बताऊंगी उनको तब पता चलेगा. जब मैं बताऊंगी तब उनको पता चलेगा ना.
चलो ठीक है. Thank you so much. All the best.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
감사합니다.
Bye.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.